Recording.
So I'm going to show what we did today. And it's basically just a simple DeLaRiva Achilles sweep, right? And you can do this from standing or when the opponent is in combat base, right? So, for instance, he's standing, right? He steps in to kill my hamstring, right? Okay, maybe I can't sweep this guy. I can't get a tripod sweep, right? So look, I got my collar and sleeve. And look at this. I kick him out just a little bit as I stand up and I frame, and my foot comes here and my other foot drops. So my hand comes here, my foot drops, and this goes to his Achilles, right? So now I'm going to turn this way as I keep this strong grip and sweep. We'll do that one more time from standing. Down a little more. So we're in DeLaRiva, right? Okay, I got collar and sleeve, okay? So check this out. As I push him back, okay, I lower my grip here, and I turn, and I make my base, right? So now look, I'm framing on his face, so if he tries to come into me, I can hold him off, but not for so long. Now, I lift him. Pull my hamstring to his Achilles, and he falls. I land here in the knee cut, and let him pass. Beauty of the sweep, and I think to some degree it's even easier, because sometimes, okay, look, you get DLR, right? And he nails to stop, kind of stall. So he drops this leg, okay? I can do the same thing, right? I can kick him back, base, drop, sweep, okay? Drop and pass. And we'll do that one more time. So again, doesn't matter if he's standing or kneeling. He's just putting down a lot of pressure, and I can't move this opponent for anything. So kick him back a little, which gives me a space to stand up. Drop my hamstring. Do kind of like a hamstring curl, right? You see how I get this deep horse collar grip that frames his face, right? Come into me. And notice how I keep this leg close to his midsection, right? So if he does try to like bulldoze me and come right forward, I can hold him off. Again, not for long. So now that's why I post this on this hand and I turn. Here's the hamstring curl I'm doing. Sweeps his Achilles out. I landed a knee cut, right? Right away.